Hello guys, it's Nikki. Welcome to my channel, and if you're just into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Please disregard the noise, the background noise. It's actually raining outside, hence the noise. And this is Mickey after pregnancy, so I just put to bed, and you can see how I look. I'm looking slimmer and darker, and my skin tag is still there. And see my skin tag, are still there. Look at my spots. My skin is uneven. I've not started using my product, so I want to take my time to show you guys how my skin is before and after the usage of my product. So now I've not started. I just wanted to show you guys so you guys see the before of my skin. This was caused by pregnancy, as well as you can see my armpits really dark, and this came when I was pregnant, as well as this stretch mark also came when I was pregnant. You can see it's still new. So look at my armpits having skin tag, as well as dark areas, discoloration. Then my back, I'm having a lot of spots around my back. I'm taking my time to show you guys. So I will also show you guys the product I'm going to start using, which is, first of, my facial soap is, look at my facial soap. This is what I use generally. Even before I got pregnant, I'm going back to using this. So I use morning and night, my coffee scrub. So I get to exfoliate only at night, because during the day, you know, when you're going out during the day, you can't exfoliate your skin, so that your skin don't get to be tan and also start having splotches on your skin. So 3 times a week, it depends. Like if you actually want to get lighter, like quickly, then I would suggest you use it every day. You exfoliate every day, but mostly at night. But now I'm not in a hurry, because you know I'm still taking care of my infant baby, so I get to exfoliate 3 times a week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Wash. I don't get to use Mushea or 3X because I have a sensitive skin. I've said it so many times. My skin is actually very sensitive. I just have to adjust the camera. Very, very sensitive. So I'm using waxing body wash. You can see it. Waxing. And I'm using the strawberry. Then I used to use the orange, but my skin, you know, my skin really adapted with strawberry with time. So, and I use the strawberry waxing body wash. So this is my whitening face cream. You can see it. Take my time just to show you guys. So I get to use this only at night. The whitening face cream serves a lot of purpose for skin discoloration, for skin lightening, and I am not in a hurry, as I said earlier, so I'm definitely going to get a very even skin. And for my body oil, this is what I use. This was the one I used before I got pregnant, and when I got pregnant I stopped using it. So you see I'm going back to them, as well as the advanced finish. So you can see this is new advanced body oil. So I know some of you are going to be asking, why are you using both oils? I use this at night, I use this during the day, and I use this to mix my Maintain Me body lotion. This and this. Now, there's a reason why I use Maintain Me body lotion, because it's a moisturizing lotion. Apart from that, it helps with skin discoloration and also for skin irritation, and it also helps to soothe the skin. Hence why I use it. So I mix it together with my advanced body oil during the day. So that's what I'm going to start with, so you guys get to see. Now, you can see I'm taking my time so you guys get to see how my skin is. And this is caused by me having a child. See my back, even my armpits, I showed you guys that. So I'm going to take my time to also show you guys the after effects of my product. Okay, and as the skin progresses, there are some products we're still going to introduce to my skin. That's how it works. It's not just permanently use this. There are some products I'm going to introduce once my skin starts improving, and that one, retinol, is also going to be involved, because I tend to use retinol. So with time I'm going to introduce it. For now, I'm not going to introduce it because I need to lighten my skin. So these are the products that are going to give me exactly what I want.